In this video, we will show you how to import checks using Excel, CSV, or zip files with onlinecheckwriter.com, powered by Zil Money. By importing checks in a single file, you can save time, reduce manual work, and simplify your payment workflow. To get started, click Business Tools from the sidebar, then select View More. On the Business Tools page, choose Mailing Dashboard, and click Multi-Check Import. You will be redirected to the Multi-Check Import page. To proceed, click the Import Checks button. This section displays the supported shipment types, along with their codes and attachment limits. Here, upload your Excel, CSV, or zip file in this section. You can click Download Sample Files to get a reference template. If you upload a zip file, you can include attachments along with your data. Make sure your file follows the same format as the samples. Choose files from your device, or simply drag and drop them into the upload area. Next, choose whether to include column heading lines in your file by enabling this button. Here, enter a batch name to identify this import. After completing all steps, click Import File to continue. Here, you can review the import mail checks details, reset your mappings if needed, and map the data from your file to the corresponding fields. Use the drop-down menus to map each field correctly before proceeding. Once everything is completed, click Submit to continue. When the confirmation message appears, click OK to proceed. On this screen, review the check summary before mailing. To update a payee's address, select the edit icon next to the payee name. If you need to include supporting documents, click the Add button to upload attachments. You can upload files directly from your device or drag and drop them into the upload area. The number shown here indicates how many attachments are included with each check. Once confirmed, click Continue to Shipping to proceed. On this screen, select how you want to mail your checks. Choose Single Mail to send each check separately, or Bundle Mail to send all checks together in one package. If you select Bundle Mail, enter the required shipping details using the corresponding fields. Choose an existing address from the drop-down, or add a new one using these buttons. In the same way, add the mail to address here. You can update the address using the edit icons. Choose the preferred shipping type from the drop-down. Once completed, click Send Now to continue. On this screen, review your mailing summary before sending. If you need to update any details, click the Edit option. Once you have verified all information, click Send Now to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to proceed. You can view your imported checks in the Records section. Click the View icon to see the check batch details. Use the Logs button to review the processing history of the check batch. Click the eye icon to view detailed check information.